DM40 Multimeter has diode or continuity measurement function. Quickly short and disconnect the test pan. Diode measurement supports 4-segment beeps, less than 0.75 volts. 1 beep, less than 0.45 volts. 2 beeps, less than 1.5 volts. 3 beeps. In diode measurement mode, also supports pure resistance measurements. Can measure resistance up to 1 kilo. The upper right corner is the measured resistance value. Click on the gear again. Enter continuity measurement mode. Quickly short and disconnect the test pan. Continuity measurement can measure resistance up to 1 kilo. Let's use the calibration resistor of 500 ohms and 100 ohms respectively to test the measurement accuracy of continuity measurement. Follow me, let you know more practical tips.